I'm here to talk about ConnectionHUB, IndoorMedia's new platform that helps our customers connect the dots and empowers their print campaigns to maximize their chances of success. There's 5 things you need to know, and here's number 1. Number 1, do you know that nobody uses the Yellow Pages in 2025? Shocking, I know. Turns out people have these things, smartphones. It's how customers find businesses now. So smart local businesses use ConnectionHUB to make darn sure their digital presence isn't hiding under a rock. Because if Siri can't find you, nobody can. Number 2, campaigns don't end when someone enters your business. ConnectionHUB equips your staff with sharp, targeted best practices so they can follow through and actually build relationships with your customers. Well, not the clingy kind, just the kind that keeps them coming back. Number 3, 1-star reviews can actually be quite enlightening. With ReviewKit, part of ConnectionHUB, we help businesses make their praise public. I think we all know we mean Google here. And criticism private, just like my therapy sessions. Number 4, engaging customers should be a lot like spreading hot gossip. ConnectionHUB includes weekly social media posts that are prepped, polished, and ready to help you stay connected. They're authentic, engaging, and best of all, it isn't just me. Number 5, ConnectionHUB gives local businesses the best chance for advertising success. As your partner, we start your campaign off right, drive home the fundamentals during execution, and help you deliver your part to get great ROI. We know you wear a lot of hats, and this is one we can help share with you. Well, not this one. This one's mine.